Hi, I'm Kim Goya, and I'm so glad you're joining me here for Yoga with Meditation Mutha. I am in Tanzania, Africa, in Maasai land, which is an area of local tribes. It's such a beautiful space, and we've been totally getting immersed in the local culture. And one of the things that the Maasai people do so well is being in the present moment, really focusing on the here and now and allowing themselves to engage deeply with each other and with the nature around them. So today's practice, I thought we would do a meditation focusing on the breath to help us drop into the present moment. So let's get started.
Yoga for everybody with Meditation Mutha.
So we're going to start in any comfortable position. You can relax the shoulders away from the ears, gently close the eyes, and start to tune into your breath. Noticing the rise and fall of the chest with every inhale and every exhale. And as we tune into our own internal rhythm, start to expand the breath, lengthening the inhale, extending the exhale. And we're going to start to move the breath from our seat at the very base of our tailbone. On an inhale, all the way up through the crown of the head. Exhaling back down in reverse. Just a few more breaths like that, really tuning into that movement of life force within the body. And then as we continue to breathe in this way, just bringing your awareness to how your body feels in this present moment. Where your mind is at. And with no judgment, just really noticing how we can bring our attention back to this space in this time. Anytime your mind wanders into a different thought, just noticing that rise and fall of the chest, sensations in your body, dropping into this space right now. Bringing your awareness to the rhythm of your heartbeat. Just the flow of the breath riding up and down the spine. Always coming back to this center space. And just a few more breaths like that, really feeling into the body and the mind in this moment. And starting to relax your concentration And we'll bring the hands to heart center in a prayer-like pose, bowing the mind to the heart, and just thank yourself for showing up and giving yourself this moment of here and now, really arriving in this space. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me here today. I'm Kim Goya in Tanzania, Africa, and I would love to hear from you on how you feel after this short meditation. So drop a comment, and if you would like to receive weekly videos, please subscribe to my YouTube channel at Yoga with Meditation Mutha. And if you're interested in learning about yoga retreats happening all around the world, please check out my website at www.meditationmutha.com. Thanks so much. See you next time.